If your paychecks are growing but you're still struggling financially, you might be the victim of a silent wealth killer. Lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when your expenses rise in tandem with your income. It's like driving faster, but staying the same distance from your destination. Consider this. If you start making an extra $500 a month and spend it all immediately on better things, your net worth stays the same. This isn't just bad luck or a mistake. It's often the result of normal psychological biases that push us to feel entitled after earning more. To avoid lifestyle inflation, think about saving a portion of every raise. Even 10% can make a huge difference over time due to compound interest. For example, if you save and invest $500 monthly at an 8% annual return rate, in 30 years, that's nearly $500,000. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions specific to your situation. Understanding lifestyle inflation can save you from quietly sabotaging your financial goals, ensuring every raise is a step towards wealth, not just higher spending. Subscribe and uncover the often overlooked principles that can truly change your financial life. Money Mechanics decodes how money really works, one mechanism at a time.